Do you want to put calls on speaker on your Apple Watch? So if you have an Apple Watch and you easily receive your incoming call from your iPhone on your Apple Watch, and now you want to put the call on speaker, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now suppose you have this active call on your iPhone and then it appears on your Apple Watch. Now just go ahead and pick it up. Then once you pick up the call on your Apple Watch, now you want to put the call on speaker, all you just need to do is use this to increase the volume. You see that? So it's going to be on speaker, but if you use this to reduce it to the barest minimum, the call volume is going to reduce. Now to put the call on speaker, you expect to have a speaker menu here, but on Apple Watch there is no option to directly put calls, either incoming call or outgoing call on speaker. The only way to enable speaker while receiving calls on Apple smartwatch is to use the digital crown and turn up the volume to the maximum. So whatever transpires between the communication, you'll be able to hear it clearly on your Apple Watch. You see that? So that is basically how to put call on speaker on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.